Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be showing you how you can connect webhooks to um any application if you just have a webhook set up. Now, fortunately, n8n does have a GitHub um GitHub node, but um you have to give your own uh HTTP uh you have to give GitHub an HTTP trigger and also a webhook or access to your account. But in this case, you only set up a webhook, which is only when a specific event happens. Now, the way you do this is really simple. So you go into your project settings. I just made a random project with nothing in it, just a empty readme. And then if I go into settings, and here you'll see webhooks. Now, there are a bunch of other settings like deploy keys, which is just if you want to use your private Git to push to your GitHub account. But we'll be using webhooks in this video for demonstration purposes. Now, if I want to add a webhook, then I have to add the webhook link to this form right here. So this could be any HTTP request, GET request, or anything. Usually it's push request, so you should change it to post request. Um, and n8n works with JSON. Now a secret key is just if you want some authentication, you can use a secret key to 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 make sure that no one can send information to your webhook if they are not allowed to. Now, SNL verification is just some added security. You can disable it, though, as stated by the red text in brackets, it is not recommended. And then here you will choose what to send. So just the push events. So if anybody tries to push code to a repository, send everything. This will be issues, everything. And here you can select individuals. So branch for tag creation, branch for tag deletion. For this, we're just gonna do some issues. So when an issue is created, but there are many things you can enable. Now this is just whether the webhook is active or not. You can deactivate it from settings if you'd like to stop receiving webhooks. Now, if I add this webhook, I officially have a webhook set up. Now, the reason the last delivery is not successful is because I have not enabled it yet. So let's just do a simple issue. So if I execute this and I go to issues, new issue, if I then create an issue, then you'll see it sends a webhook to your program, and here you have all the data that you need, including the IP address of the GitHub server. So this is the basic HTTP header. You would see this in almost all connections. The content type is application JSON, which specifies that it is the input type is in JSON, and it's forwarded to a specific IP address. Now, um, the body contains all uh, the information you would need for URLs and IDs. So this would be a repository ID, a user ID, and um, also the body and the assignees, labels, types, everything. So the body will be the description, and the repository ID, and I'm just looking for the issue label, which should be somewhere here. Oh, issue, and then the issue ID. So the issue ID, and then the title of the issue. There we have it. So this is just a basic HTTP request where the body is sent in JSON. If you look here, then there is the headers and also the body with all the information you would need. And this is super simple. Now you have a backup where all your GitHub IDs will be stored. As always, thank you for watching, and bye bye.